What? I didn't understand that.
If he stays, I'm going to leave.
Words are hard.
Just wanted to say that I see how hard life can be.
Oh, it's hard.
I mean, it barely shows, but I know it's hard.
100%.
I will call you, you hey, son of a bitch. Ah, sorry.
Realist. Sorry.
I am Sam.
Your brother, you know, that other dude. They came to, I forgot the
Not turned out quite like I planned it. What is that line?
Look at my truck.
Hello, guys.
Hello, Wolf.
Ah, you're gonna...
You all right? You having a seizure?
Peace.
Hold on there, Crowley.
What? The other night. Quite brilliantly. Hold on, if I go any higher, I think I'll bust a nut. I wish. Excuse me. Bless you. Sorry.
That knows actual and I think maybe that's because what is it? I think it's because of look, I know I myself.
You talking to me?
Hello. Wow, that's awkward.
Something funny?
Sam?
Lock it up.
What's so funny, Sam?
Your brother's laughing at this, and you were just giving us the business. You need to give him the business.
Pills.
You guys are really
All right,
handsome.
and we're working through it. Shut your face.
Folks take it real seriously. Sorry. It's too much.
Why didn't you call one of us?
Where's your process?
Until you...
The Tennessean for taint?
That little space between the...
Yeah.
I think that's the process.
Got it.
I got a bit in my process. Damn it. Okay, yeah, so about 6 months ago, I was...
Shocking.
I hate y'all.
Dean always called me his Gaston.
Still do.
You want to lick your face?
Words are hard.
And if she says she's got a Chinese chair, you call me. I'm coming over.
Got it. If she has a Chinese chair,
Call me.
you want it.
Let's do it.
Unless you have rumps shakers.
What do we do now?
Oh, you don't do jack shit. All right. Sam and me will head to the hospital. See.
If anyone had told me in drama school that this is what it was going to be like, I would have
You went to
quit.
drama school.
I didn't. I should. You don't. If you don't want my help, then I will follow Josiah to Colorado. I have to do something, Dean. If you don't want my help, then I will follow Josiah's trail to Colorado. I have to do. What? Is that not how you say Colorado? This is so frustrating.
Misha's most difficult day on the set of Supernatural in his tenure there. It was so much on the pranking end, and by pranking, I use that term loosely. It's more of just messing with him on a constant basis. Anyway, it got to the point. It got to the point.
It got to the point where people drove over from the studio to watch on the monitors while they made me lose my shit. And everybody was like, Misha, I'm really sorry that happened. I have to say, it was kind of funny. I'm really sorry. It got to the point, it was so bad.
The next day,
He apologized. That's how bad it got.
and like an honest, serious, like, hey man, I actually went home last night and thought about it. Was a little messed up. I'm sorry. That was uncool. I can't promise it's not gonna happen again. But you know, I wanted to apologize. That was really unfair. That being said, Jared and I were really messing with it. It got so bad to where the camera guy who was operating the camera on his shoulder like this on Misha's coverage, while I'm standing right here. I don't know if I should tell this. Okay. Well, let's just say that he got into it, and while it was happening, and just reached down and undid his zipper and was going. While holding the camera and shooting his close-up. And Misha's just like, really? Rosie, you two? Come on! So, anyway, as the day went on and Misha's frustration began to build and build and build and really get to a point that it was becoming kind of uncomfortable on set. And I will blame most of this on Jared because he really doesn't gauge when I could see that he was getting fed up.
Could you? Because I couldn't see that you could see.
I'm an actor. But Jared just kept going, and if he's still going, well, who am I to stand by and not enjoy him? So anyway, it got to the point where Misha was just like so frustrated, and he walks over and he spends some time by himself, and he gets up and in like a rage, he takes this paper airplane.
I finally had my chance to get back at those motherfuckers. So,
and here we come.
They had a little bit where they were getting, the camera was just on them.
Yeah.
And so I got a paper airplane, I went like this.
Hey guys, who am I?
He goes, you mother... There was so much.
I have to say, at the end of the day, I feel like I kind of won.
I got him with that paper airplane dive bomb. That was retaliation right down the pipe. Yeah, that was a good day.
I don't like working with you two.
Jared and myself.
We're horrible fucking human beings.